Hello all, welcome to www.bispsolutions.com. Today we'll see multi-column data load from file to PBCS. Okay, so let's first start with some analogy. So here I have created two of the analogies for you, so that you can understand what is multi-column data load. So here in this first one, this one I'm speaking about. So here this is a beverage company called Fresh Drinks. Now this entity sells 3 types of drinks to different regions, and here we are tracking their sales data for the period of January. So you can see here, this is the entity and these are the different regions. This company is selling these 3 types of products. It sells 3 types of drinks, which is soda, iced tea and a fruit punch. And this is the sales, which is in dollars. So these are the sales figures from various regions. First, you can see from Canada, the sale of soda is $5,000. Iced tea is 2,833 and fruit punch is 4,500. Then this is for Mexico. You can see 3 different sales amount are given for 3 different products. So this is when we speak about multi-column, here you can see there is this is the entity, then the other dimension is the region over here, the various regions where the sale is happening, and these 3 are the different categories of the products, and this is the sale amount. So there is one account we are talking about, which is revenue or sales, but then we are speaking here about different products. Let's switch the analogy to an asset management scenario. Here, this is the prime investment, and here we are managing a investment company, and here we are managing different asset categories. And we want to track the value of these assets for the month of January. So for 1 month, for these different products, these are the different products, prime investment, sales. Now this is the investment company, and we are assessing the asset management scenario over here. So these are the different customers they have. They are the prime members, they have the golden members, and they have the silver members. And this is the asset value in the month of January. So let's suppose the silver member, okay, the value of bonds is 2 lakh. Or then you can say mutual funds. Here for the prime members, the value of asset in January has become $2,90,000. So here, what are the different multi-columns we are seeing? First, this is all the products, various products. Then this is the amount you can see here, and then these are the member groups. So there might be a dimension member. We can create this dimension for to serve this purpose, and the account will be asset. Here these are different products, and the account will be asset management, asset increase, or asset revaluation. So when we talk about multi columns, we are actually talking about various dimensions. The data comes in the intersection of various dimensions. So let us see how do we load the data in the application. So for that purpose, I have created a flat file. This is the data we're going to load. Let me describe you what is this data all about. So similar to the stories, the two analogies I have just illustrated, here also I am having, here there is one entity, okay, and these are various accounts, and these are 3 products, and these are the amount. So basically this is the service category in the application, and these are the operating expenses on these services. So we're going to load all the expenses which is incurred in the development of these products, or you can say these services. So the first step in the data management is to create a data file, which is usually in .csv or .txt format, with the multiple columns that represents different dimensions such as products, periods, or expense categories. And it is important that we ensure that the data has a structured format. This is, you can see, this is the format, and this is a .csv file. You can see each row here represents a combination of dimensions like entity, amount, and account. You can have further more columns over here, like you can have the combination of version and scenario. So for this illustration, I am right now keeping only account, entity, and 3 of the products data. These are all operating expenses in the application, and we are loading data for operating expenses for these 3 products, and these 3 products belongs to the service category. Okay, after that, this data file we have prepared, we'll log into the data management and create source and target application. So under application, go to data exchange, now here we're going to create our we're going to register the source and the target application. So this is basically the data source is a flat file, so type will be file, and here we're going to name the file. So any relevant name we can give to the file. So this is January file. I'm loading this operating expenses for the month of January. Okay, So this has been registered, the application, source application. Okay, now we're going to register the target application. So here we're going to select EPM local. EPM local means DM and the planning both running in the same process. Here the data management and the planning application both are running in the same URLs, local. So that is why we select EPM local. Then the name of the application is EPBCS, and here we're going to take input cube as plan 1. So we have registered here the source and the target application. Now we're going to go to data integration and set up the import format. Now here go to setup and click on import format, and we're going to create the import format here. We have to provide the name of this format. I'm loading the operating expenses for 3 products over here, so I've given the name as product underscore IMF. Our source is file and the target is EPBCS. Then the file type here is multi-column numeric data. So save this. Now we have to create a new import format that defines the structures of the incoming file. This is the file that we're going to load, you can see here. So this very structure we have to define there, like where is the account column, where is the entity. Basically we define how the source columns map to the target PBCS dimensions. Each column here in this file will map to a specific dimension in PBCS. So we're going to assign column numbers or references, specific headers for data mapping. And here I'm sorry, this target actually it would be EPBCS plan 1. Okay, now save this. So here first is account. So my account lies in the column number 1. So we're going to write here 1. Now this amount, we'll write here 3 and I'll further explain about it. Let me first map the other dimensions. We don't have cost center, leave it blank for the time being. Entity is in second column, we'll write second. Intercompany, line of business, product, and lastly is version. So our product here, it is in third column, third. Now if you see this amount over here, for these the amount is there in 3 columns, okay, and it is for different products. So for this we're going to write the expression over here and we're going to use driver. You see here the product, this is from the amount in the product is from third column to fifth column. So we're going to use the expression of fill I think there is some technical error here. Let me see if the application is working, because I'm not getting the right result over here. We're going to quickly create a new source and target over here, because I was not getting the desired result. So okay, so we have registered the source, and now here let us register the target application. This is EPBS application, and here we're going to take input queue plan 1. Okay, because I have already created this, so let's not create it again. Now let us go to the data management, and there we'll create the import format. And this is file 1 I've created. I'll take this, and target we have EPBCS plan 1. Okay, here we'll have multi-column numeric data. Save this. Now here account is in 1. And this is from 3 to 5, 3, 4, 5. You have all these account details over here. Next is amount. Now amount is in 3. And here I was trying to use the driver at that time. Let me see whether this is coming. Yes, see, it is coming. There was some technical problem in the application at that time. So basically here product is the driver. That means here you see my example. So like that means through all these members, these product members, through all these our amount will be getting derived. This is the dimension member who is driving the amount, who is carrying this amount. So here product will be our driver. Here we'll select the product. Now here we have to select the products that we are using here. This is P underscore 311. So again I'm getting this error over here. I'm not able to select the driver. Again there is something problem in the application. This is the import format I have created. Here we have to choose the products that is there in our data file. And here we have to write the columns where these product amount lies. So this is from 3, 5. Here you can see over here, this is the data file, first, second, and from third, fourth, fifth we have the product amounts. Next is cost center, then I have entity, entity is in second column, and product is in third column. Here the product is from third to fifth column, so we're going to use this expression of fill. It is again giving some error. Let me save till here. Oh, see, it is not taking the, there is some application is giving some trouble today, so that is why I'm not able to save it. Account, let's again open the data integration and let me again check whether the application is working properly. Okay, so we'll go to data management, and in the setup we'll go to import format, and we have already created this one, demo IMF. Now account field number is 1, and save this. Okay, now it is saving. Amount is 3, and here we will select the driver straight away. So the driver is product. We have various amount for the products, and we will select the members. And the column is 3 to 5. Okay, and save this. Next is cost center. So 1, I'm giving the expression 1 because we do not have this in the file, so we have to allot some column number to this. Entity is in second. Intercompany again second, because this is also not there in our file. Product is in third column, and save this. And product starts from third and it goes till fifth. So here we're going to use the expression fill. And lastly is the version also we are giving some of the account number over here, column number over here. So save this. Now let us create the location. This is our demo import format. Okay, we will save this location. Now we're going to map all the dimensions to the target dimension. So here first select your location. I've just created one, demo underscore LOC. So and we are loading it for January 24. category is plan. Okay, now for all these dimensions we're going to give the like mapping. Now that we have done the mapping, we have to create the data load rule. Select the import format that we have created. And save this. Now here upload the file that we're going to load. So this is the file. Now we're going to execute the import and export here. And the export mode is replace data. So the process has been submitted, and you can have the detail of the process going on from here. Process details, you can have it from here. Now we're going to go to data load workbench here, and I'm afraid one fish I haven't got. It has not been exported. I have to see. I think this has been imported and validated, so basically it has been staged over here. Now the only thing, it is not going into the application, so we have to see to this error. Rest all the steps are what I've just told you. So let us go to the process detail here. So there is error in just exporting, So import data has been done, transformed in stage balance is done, but exporting is this is giving the error. And if we see the log over here, so there has been error, this passing the formula. Okay, so right now we are running out of time, so we will see this export step. The only one step has been left. We have finished all the steps in the process, and here the data has been imported and it has been staged over here. So for multi-column load, data load, we have done all these steps correctly. There has been a slight error coming, which we will see into, and we'll finish this task in our next session. So thank you, and if you have any queries, you may write it to us at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you.